Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Special Agent Oso, so grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, we're going to start with the nose. We're going to draw a round nose, and then from the nose we can draw the mouth. So I'm going to make two curvy lines downwards, and then I'm going to connect them with this curve upwards and again downwards and connect it to the other side. And from the nose, a straight line down. Now right underneath the mouth, we're going to draw the teeth. So I'm going to draw two teeth standing out. And now we're going to draw the bottom part of the mouth. Now Oso's mouth is open. So we're going to draw a nice open mouth. And then we're just going to draw the outside of the mouth as well. And maybe just a lip there as well. Now inside we can draw the tongue. Now we're going to start with the eyes, and we're going to start here on top, and we're going to make a nice big, so this is the outside of the eye. It's not the eye itself, but the eyes will be inside this big circles. Now I'm going to do the same on this side, and we're going to connect it back. And now inside we're going to draw the bottom of the eyes first. So I'm going to draw two lines, as we always do. Make it nice and round on top, connect it back. And on this one we'll do the same, nice and round on top and connect it back. And then we can draw a pupil, light reflection, iris. Let's do the same on the other side. Now let's fill the pupils in. So next up, I'm going to make for myself two little dots. I'll make a dot here and maybe a dot there, and I'm going to draw his head. I'm going to go over, and then you're going to connect it back, and then right on top there we're going to draw the ears, and you can draw an inner ear as well. And let's do the same on this side. Now on this side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a jacket. So I'm going to draw a nice big C. You can do it like this. And then on this side, let's do the same thing. Maybe we're going to start up there and make it back like this. So two C's like this. And now we're going to start next to the head, and you're going to bring it back. Let's do the same on this side. Now from here, you're going to make a little curve outwards. And here, you're going to do the same. And then you're going to bring it back. And what we can do now we can connect the collar to the sleeve, because it's a sleeve, and there as well. Now inside this side we have a little button with a paw, so we're going to draw a little paw right here with the toes. And now it's time for the arms. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw an arm, and I'm going to connect it to the jacket, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. And then on both sides you're going to draw the hand, so that would be the hand, and we'll do the same on this side as well. And now we can draw Oso's body. We're going to start with the tummy. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to that point there, and I'm going to make it nice and curvy, connect it to the jacket. And then below that going to draw another line where our legs will attach to. Now what I'll do, I'll draw two short lines out, roughly about the same, and then I'm going to draw a little hook. On this side I'm going to draw another hook, and then I'm going to connect it. I'll draw a hook on this side, and on the other side I'll draw another hook, and then I'll connect it. And now we can draw the legs. You can start up here And I'm going to draw leg, connect it. And I'm going to start up there, draw leg and connect it. And lastly, the top of Oso's tummy. And there's Oso. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.